Hello beautiful people! For those who are new, my name is Anora. Today I will be showing you how to achieve this super soft blue smoky eye. I hope you will like this video, and if you do, please give this video thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. So I'm gonna start off with my eyebrows. I'm using Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade. Then I'm gonna apply a soft matte concealer from Rimmel and then blending it up with my damp beauty blender. As for transition shade, I'm gonna use the brown shadow from my Sephora Collection I Love palette. This is mostly a matte eyeshadow palette with punchy bright tones, so this is the perfect eyeshadow for this eye look, and I'm blending it in my crease with my blending brush. Next, in the inner third of my eyelid, I'm gonna apply this white shadow from the same palette. Okay, next I'm going to be applying bright blue shadow from this palette in the outer corner of my eyelid. This is going to be more intense and vibrant because of the white shadow I've applied prior to it. Using the same brush, I'm gonna blend the edges. To add some definition to eyes, I'm gonna add just a little bit of this navy blue eyeshadow from my Annabelle Cosmetics palette on the outer corner of my eyes, and I will blend everything nicely. Next, I'm gonna use my gel liner from Inglot, and then I will move to my face and then come back to complete my eyes. Today I'm using Cover Fix Dewy Skin Hydration Primer. And after the primer, I'm going in with my foundation. I'm using NYX Cosmetics Foundation Born to Glow in shade Natural for the second time. I'm in love with the texture and the way how it blends perfectly on my skin. Then I'm going to blend it with my Beauty Blender. After that, I'm going to be applying an Instant Age Rewind Concealer from Maybelline that's lighter than my skin tone under my eyes, on my forehead, and nose, and then blending it up with the same beauty blender. In between, I always like to use lip balm to moisturize my lips. And for contour, I'm going to be using Triangle Artist Contour Stick that is from Catrice Cosmetics. I will focus on my cheekbones, nose, and then a little bit on my forehead and jawline to balance everything out. Then I will blend it all with my contouring brush from e.l.f. To set that concealer in, I'm just going to be using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in Fair, and to set all the other creamy products, I will be using Maybelline Loose Powder in Light Shade. So for my highlighter, I will be using the Radiance Triple Baked Highlighter from Makeup Revolution. As I have straight eyelashes, I always like to curl them. I'm using the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. Next, I will add the same navy blue eyeshadow from my Annabelle Cosmetics palette in my low lash liner, and then I will be blending it all with bright blue shadow from my Sephora Collection I Love palette. So for today's lashes, I'm using the Diamond Lash Co. in Charmed. Then I will add mascara in my lower lashes to complete my eye look. And moving to the lips, I'm using the Annabelle Cosmetics Lip Liner number 300 Spices and Smashbox Liquid Lip Pigment in Bad B. Finally, I will set it all with setting spray from Makeup Revolution.